Also, folks, to go along with the monkfish meal, cooking up some shrimp as well. You saw earlier in the video, Sarah cooked up her shrimp in some Italian dressing, was it?
Yes.
Alright, cool. It's Italian dressing. So she cooked hers up in that. So this is the remnants of that. So what I'm going to do is keep those remnants on the fire, and then I have been marinating my shrimp in Chipotle barbecue sauce and of course some Old Bay sprinkled on top of it as well. So it's been marinating for about 5 hours, I'd say 5-6 hours. So about to toss it in on the pan, cook it up, have that to go along with the monkfish. Or you see the Italian dressing that Sarah uses bubbling right now, so we're going to toss these shrimp on. Here we go. And of course I'm going to make sure the sauce gets on as well. Oh, one more. Come on, shrimp. Get on there. There you go. There you go. Alright, so, yep, we're going to cook it up. Alright, and also going to try to mix up the sauces here, so the sauce blend is a little bit more even. Alright, so took the shrimp off the pan, and I tasted the sauce first. That was the combination of the Chipotle barbecue and the Italian dressing. Man, that's a good combination. I'm a genius. Let's just. I am saving that sauce combination. That is excellent. And tasted the shrimp, as you can see here, and the shrimp is really good, marinated perfectly. So I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this, and I'm also gonna enjoy my monkfish.